Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you how to write program of fade in fade out in Arduino with Tinkercad. Let's start the video. Open Tinkercad, press create, then go to circuits, search for Arduino, take Arduino Uno and 3, place it on the board, search for LED, take the LED and place it above of the board. Connect cathode terminal with the ground of Arduino and then connect anode terminal with the 9th pin of Arduino Uno and 3. Now let's go to the code. So this is the code. First an integer 9 into a variable named LED, and we have also taken an integer named I. Then in the void setup function we take pin mode function. In the pin mode we have written the name of the pin, which is LED, and how it will work. It will work as the output. Then go to the void loop function. In the void loop we have created a for loop where the value of I started with 0, and whenever I is equal or less than 225 it will continue and it will increase the value of I by 5. And then we have written analogWrite to the LED. LED will write the value of I, whatever the I we get for each of the loop, and thus it will take the value of I and put it on the LED. So first of all, I equals to 0. So the analog write of LED will be 0. That means the light will be off. And after that, when the value of I will increase, the analog write of LED will be increased. That means the LED will continuously getting brighter. And this will happen after every 0.1 second or 100 milliseconds. And when it will reach 225, then the loop will stop and it will come into the second loop. In the second loop the value of I is 225, and whenever the value of I is greater than or equals to 0, it will continue the loop and the value of I will be decreasing by 5. And in the analogWrite function we put the value of I with LED. So that means at first the LED will give the value of 225. That's mean LED at its full brightness, and then it will continuously decrease the value of I, and in the analogWrite it will decrease the value of I. Thus the LED light will be decreasing its brightness, and each of the term will be happen after 0.1 second or 100 milliseconds, and this will continue. And after finishing that, it will again go to the loop and again run the code, and thus it will create the fade in fade out function or fade in fade out program in the LED. Now copy the code. I'll give you the copy of this code in the description. Now copying it, we will go to the Tinkercad again. We'll go to the code section, we'll go to the blocks, then text, then continue, and again select all the text and Ctrl V for pasting, and that's it. Now we will run the code. We'll press start simulation, and after starting we can see that our LED is getting brighter and it is gradually getting lower and it has turned off. So thus our LED is getting brighter and thus our LED is getting dimmer. And this is the fade in fade out function of LED in Arduino with Tinkercad. Thank you everyone.